Today we'll be making blueberry Greek yogurt muffins. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a large bowl, add in milk, vegetable oil, Greek yogurt, and an egg. Mix together your wet ingredients. Then add in your all-purpose flour. Sugar, lemon juice, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then mix it all together. It will be quite thick. Now add in your frozen blueberries. Then place into your muffin tray. This recipe will make 12 muffins. Bake at 400 for 18 minutes, and there you have it. Delicious Greek yogurt blueberry muffins. Enjoy!